Imagine a supercomputer, intricate and complex, capable of processing vast amounts of information in a split second. That's your brain. This masterful organ, with its 100 billion neurons, forms a complex network, creating a web of connections that allow us to think, feel, and perceive the world around us. But beyond these awe-inspiring facts lies an even more fascinating reality: the brain's unparalleled ability to learn and adapt. This ability is rooted in the very structure of our neural networks, in the way neurons fire and wire together, shaping our understanding of the world. So, how exactly does this biological supercomputer learn from these sensory experiences? Let's delve deeper. The brain learns by extracting patterns and relationships from sensory experiences. This simple statement belies the complexity of the processes that make it possible. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world of neural learning. To begin with, our brain is inundated with sensory inputs every waking moment. This barrage of information is processed and filtered through a network of neurons, the fundamental units of the brain. Neurons are essentially information couriers. They receive, process, and transmit information, thereby enabling us to make sense of our surroundings. But how do these neurons learn? Think of neurons as diligent students constantly studying the world around them. They learn by continuously adjusting their responses based on the inputs they receive. This adjustment is achieved through a process called synaptic plasticity. In essence, the more a particular pattern of sensory input is received, the stronger the connections between the neurons involved become. This is the biological basis of learning and memory. Now, let's take a step further and talk about neural networks. These are complex arrangements of neurons working together to facilitate learning. By working in tandem, these networks can extract patterns and relationships from the sensory data, even when the input is noisy or incomplete. The beauty of this process lies in its adaptability. The brain can rewire its neural networks based on new experiences, thus enabling us to learn and adapt throughout our lives. This is what allows us to acquire new skills, remember important events, and even understand complex concepts. It's a fascinating process, isn't it? But have you ever wondered if there's a parallel in the world of artificial intelligence? In the realm of artificial intelligence, there's a powerful technique known as self-supervised learning. This innovative method is transforming the way machines learn, bringing us closer to the dream of truly intelligent systems. But what is self-supervised learning exactly? Well, imagine a toddler exploring his surroundings. He doesn't need someone to constantly tell him what is what. He learns from his experiences, making sense of the world around him without explicit instructions. This is the essence of self-supervised learning. In the context of artificial intelligence, it allows AI models to learn from data that has not been manually classified or labeled. This process is akin to the way we humans learn most of our knowledge. For instance, no one tells us that the sky is blue or grass is green every time we step outside. We learn this by experiencing the world around us. Similarly, self-supervised learning enables AI models to identify patterns and relationships in the data, thereby learning to make sense of the world. Consider the application of self-supervised learning in image recognition. Here, AI models learn to recognize objects in images by identifying patterns and relationships between different parts of the image. They do this without any need for a human to label every image. This technique has proven to be effective in a wide range of AI applications, from natural language processing to autonomous vehicles. It's a game changer, offering a way for AI to learn more efficiently and autonomously. Intriguingly, recent research suggests that our brain might employ similar strategies. Groundbreaking research suggests that our brain's learning mechanisms and self-supervised learning in AI have striking similarities. Fascinating, isn't it? This discovery comes from the brilliant minds at MIT's K. Lisa Yang Integrative Computational Neuroscience Center, where two studies have delved deep into the realm of neuroscience and artificial intelligence. They found that the brain, much like self-supervised AI models, might develop an intuitive understanding of the physical world by picking up similarities and differences in sensory experiences. You see, self-supervised learning in AI allows models to learn and make sense of visual scenes without labels or external information. And our brain might be doing something remarkably similar. It's like our brain has its own inherent AI system, continuously learning and adapting from the world around us. The researchers trained AI models using self-supervised learning, and noticed that these models generated activity patterns similar to those in the brains of animals performing the same tasks. It's as if the AI models were mimicking the brain's learning processes. This suggests that our brain's neural networks and the AI models are not as different as we once thought. Imagine the brain's neural networks as a complex web of connections, constantly changing and adapting based on our experiences. Now picture a self-supervised AI model doing the same thing, learning from unlabeled data and adjusting its connections accordingly. The parallels are uncanny, suggesting that the brain's neural networks might be employing strategies similar to self-supervised learning. This convergence of neuroscience and AI holds exciting possibilities for the future. With this newfound understanding, we can not only delve deeper into the mysteries of the human brain, but also enhance AI models to better mimic the brain's learning mechanisms. The future of neuroscience and artificial intelligence is looking brighter, and we're just getting started. Stay tuned for the next segment where we explore the implications and future directions of this intriguing convergence. So, what do these revelations mean for us? This groundbreaking research has profound implications for our understanding of the brain's learning processes. The similarities between self-supervised learning in artificial intelligence and the brain's learning mechanisms suggest that our brains may intuitively understand the physical world in a manner akin to self-supervised learning. Our brains, it seems, can learn about visual scenes based on similarities and differences between them, without needing explicit labels or additional information. This discovery could revolutionize neuroscience, providing a unique lens through which to explore the brain's intricate learning mechanisms. But the implications don't stop there. The potential for AI to further inform neuroscience research is vast. We can utilize AI models as a tool to delve deeper into the complexities of the brain, and vice versa. The insights we gain about the brain could, in turn, enhance our AI models, creating a symbiotic relationship between these two fields. The convergence of neuroscience and AI opens up exciting new directions for future research. Imagine the possibilities as we further explore the parallels between the brain and computational models, pushing the boundaries of what we understand about learning. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of learning, the convergence of neuroscience and AI promises a unified understanding. To summarize, our brain's learning mechanisms have intriguing parallels with self-supervised learning in AI. We embarked on a journey that led us through the intricate workings of the brain, extracting patterns and relationships from sensory experiences and the role of neurons and neural networks in this process. We delved into the concept of self-supervised learning, a powerful technique in artificial intelligence that allows models to learn from unlabeled data, finding its effectiveness across various applications. Then we unveiled the groundbreaking research suggesting similarities between these two realms. The brain, like self-supervised learning models, might be utilizing unlabeled sensory data to learn and adapt. In essence, our neural networks could be employing strategies much akin to self-supervised learning. These findings open up a whole new world of possibilities. The convergence of neuroscience and artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the brain's learning processes, informing and being informed by each other. The future of learning could very well be a unified understanding, a blend of the biological and the artificial. But this is just the beginning. The mysteries of learning are vast and complex. Ongoing research in both neuroscience and artificial intelligence is paramount to further unravel these mysteries and pave the way for advancements that we can't even begin to imagine today. We invite you to explore this fascinating intersection of neuroscience and AI. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. Your support helps us bring more such informative content to you.